welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna go over how we can master putting on glitter. I know glitter can be very tricky because if you put too little, it doesn't really show. If you put too much, then it becomes too bulky. I'll be tackling with Fgel's glitter gels and Mayour's. I believe that's how you say it. And then I'll also show a bonus how you can create your own glitter and then put that on as well, because I know that when creating your own glitter, that can become very bulky as well. I'm going in with Fgel's glitter gel. As you can see here, it is very thick and we're gonna tackle how to put this on. I start off with putting a thin layer on first and then just kind of moving the glitter around into spots that don't have enough glitter. The first layer of this glitter gel that I'm laying down here is really just to help cover up the nail. We're not gonna concentrate too much on it just because we want to fill out the gap as much as possible. You'll notice that when I put my nail to the side, it's not building any kind of bulk. Now that the first layer is cured, I'm just gonna grab a bigger bead of glitter gel and I'm just gonna kind of push it to the cuticle area. And this is where it gets a little tricky because I'm building this out as if I'm building out a structure nail. The reason why I'm doing this is because the glitter is very chunky. Now, if you start spreading it out like as if you're just polishing, the glitter gel is still going to be too spread out, which you're not going to get that full coverage look. One thing I do like about the Fgel glitter gel is that it does self-level really well. So you're not gonna really see that much bulk, even though I'm building up the nail a little bit. I'm just gonna keep on spreading all the glitter around to places that I see a little bit of gap. And once I like how everything is looking, I will cure this. One thing I want to mention here is that when you lay down the glitter gels, it can create these little dips because of the chunky glitter. Now, I don't like it when it does that, so I will try to build up the nail a bit and cover those dips so that when you file, it's nice and smooth. Now that my gel is cured, I'm going to be doing a feel test. This is to ensure that nothing is poking out. And if I feel anything, I will make sure to buff or file it off. This is also the time that I kind of reshape my nails because sometimes with glitter gel, it can kind of warp your shape. So this is a great time to do that. The next gel I'm going to use is from Mayour, and this glitter gel is not as chunky as the Fgel. I wanted to show you guys how different kinds of glitter gives a different kind of effect. As you can see, the Mayour glitter gel is still thick in consistency, but you can see that the glitter chunks are way smaller than the Fgels. I started the same process. I brushed on the glitter gel just as I did with the Fgel. I'm just trying to cover the nail as much as I can and spreading out the thickness so that it doesn't build bulk in that first layer. Grabbing that second ball of glitter gel, I'm just doing the same. I'm building up the structure a little bit just so that I get more glitter to cover up more of the nail. Again, starting from the cuticle, I push all of the glitter gels up there and then try to spread it downwards towards the tip. With glitter gels that are not as chunky, they are going to come a little bit more sheer versus very chunky glitter. With that being said, I would say that you can still go in with a third layer, but I'm not going to do that. So I'm just going to go right into the feel test. Feeling if there's any kind of bumps, I'm just gonna go ahead and buff so it's nice and smooth. Top coating this to finalize the look, and this is how it turned out. Okay, so now is the time I'm gonna do my own little creation with mixing glitter. When creating custom glitter mixes, there's so many choices of clear gels that you can use, like structure gel, which is a thicker consistency. You have a top gel, which is a medium, and then you have the bio gel from D-Gel, which is a thinner viscosity of gel. I'm going in with this one because when mixing glitter, I like my gels to be on the thinner side versus thicker. I went ahead and did 4 scoops of the glitter, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just start mixing it until I feel like the glitters are very well mixed. I also want to mention that the reason why I went with a thinner viscosity gel to mix in with my glitter is so that it doesn't become so bulky. Of course, starting as I did before, just brushing it on like you would a normal gel polish, and then making sure that you are spreading the glitter into areas that needs to be filled. With custom glitter gels, I would say that you have more control of how much glitter you put into your gel. So making it thicker or thinner with putting 4 scoops of glitters into the clear gel, the glitter mix here is more chunky. This is how it's looking so far. Going in for that second layered, I'm just grabbing a good amount and I'm gonna start building that structure with the glitter mix. Because this is a custom mix, my gel here is a bit on the thicker side. It's even thicker than the Fgel that I was showing you guys. If I wanted to, I could probably add a little bit of more clear gel just to thin it out, but I think I'm okay with this, so I'm just gonna keep on working in section and building it up. This is how it's looking so far. I don't know if you guys can tell, but from my end here, I can see how bulky it is from the side view. So of course I'm gonna do the field test just to see if there's any rough patches, and then I will go ahead and shape it and buff it down to my liking. With custom gel mixes, you will feel the bump and roughness of it more than when you have a glitter gel that's already pre-mixed. Giving it another field test just to make sure that no glitter is kind of popping out, and once I'm liking it the way it is, I will take a top coat and then just finish it off. I would definitely recommend using a thicker top coat just so that when you seal everything, nothing is poking out. Definitely do another field test to make sure that you are liking the results. And this is the final look. I hope you found this video helpful. As always, make sure to hit that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.